English together.
Grandpa.
Grandpa, can you believe you will be 80 this year?
Yes, I know. Time goes so fast. I still feel young inside.
Wow. What is the most important thing you have learned in your life?
There are many things, but one is very important.
What is it, Grandpa?
Never stop learning. Life is full of new things to see and know.
I like that. But sometimes learning is hard. How do you keep doing it?
Sometimes it is hard, but I try. I read books. Try new things. And talk with young people like you. You help me learn too.
That's nice. I also love learning new things.
Good, Jessica. Stay curious. It keeps your heart young. And remember what Steve Jobs said. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
I love that quote. It means we should always want to learn more, right?
Exactly, dear. Keep that in your heart, and you'll always stay young.
I will, Grandpa. I will never stop learning.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.